Here are 25 repos that are making noise on GitHub today. Let's start.
Ever wanted to build your own ebook reader from the ground up? The OpenBook, with almost 9,000 stars, is a hardware project that makes it possible. It's designed around the Raspberry Pi Pico, with a focus on low part count and easy hand assembly. It runs on AAA batteries and uses an e-ink display. The firmware, called Libros, is open source and actively developed. The creator rebooted the project to simplify the design, so you can get a working device quickly and start customizing. You can modify the software, add features, or even build your own case. This is a great way to learn about embedded systems and electronics. The documentation is available to help you build and test your own OpenBook. Ever deployed a migration that broke your database in production? Strong Migrations, with almost 5,000 stars, catches unsafe database changes before they cause trouble. It detects dangerous operations like removing columns without proper preparation and blocks them by default. Instead, it gives you clear instructions on safer alternatives. You just add the gem and run migrations as usual. If you try something risky, it stops you and explains the fix. It supports PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB, and sets a long timeout so your app can keep a short one. This tool has been battle-tested at Instacart and can save you from production disasters. Add it to your gem file and stay safe. Trying to build an app that understands both images and text? DeepSeek-VL, with almost 5,000 stars, is an open-source vision language model designed for real-world understanding. It can handle logical diagrams, web pages, formula recognition, scientific literature, natural images, and embodied intelligence in complex scenarios. The model comes in different sizes, including a chat version, and is available on Hugging Face. It's a practical tool for anyone needing multimodal AI that actually works in diverse applications. Ever wanted to give your coding environment a breath of fresh air with a custom skin? Codex-Dream-Skin, with almost 9,000 stars, and yes, the README is in Chinese, personalizes your Codex desktop beautifully. It uses local CDP injection to apply themes without modifying the official app files. You can switch between carefully crafted presets like Gothic Void, or even create your own from any image. All themes are designed to work seamlessly in both light and dark modes. Running a single script applies the change instantly. The tool is independent of your API settings and core functionality, keeping everything safe. It's a subtle but impactful way to make your code editor truly yours. Need a quick way to serve static files over HTTP without setting up Nginx? The simple HTTP server in Rust, with almost 3,500 stars, is a lightweight solution. It runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and supports directory listing, file upload, basic auth, range requests, compression, CORS, SPA fallback, and optional HTTPS with PKCS12 certificates. Installation is easy via cargo install. Just point it at a folder, and you get a full-featured file server in seconds. Perfect for development or sharing files on a local network. Tired of writing complex canvas shaders from scratch just to add a nice visual effect? Paper Shaders, with almost 3,100 stars, lets you design shaders visually in paper and export them as lightweight code. It's zero dependency and works with React or vanilla JavaScript. You can adjust colors, distortion, and speed, either in code or directly in the paper design tool. The result is a small, performant shader that runs anywhere. Perfect for adding mesh gradients or dot orbits without the heavy lifting. Tired of expensive PDF subscriptions and clunky software? KillerPDF, with nearly 3,100 stars, is a free open-source PDF editor for Windows. It handles viewing, annotating, OCR, merging, splitting, and editing text without any subscription. You can fill forms, sign documents, and open password-protected files. The single portable exe is about 15 megabytes with absolutely no installation required. It uses PDFEM for high-quality rendering, supports tabbed documents, full-text search, bookmark editing, and 4 view modes. KillerPDF also offers a jump history and drag select to copy text. Whether you need to merge PDFs or extract pages, this tool does it all without phoning home. Its GPL v3 license ensures it stays free and open source. KillerPDF is the perfect choice for developers and anyone needing a reliable PDF editor on Windows. Frustrated with command line video encoding tools that require memorizing dozens of parameters? Staxrip, with almost 3,000 stars, gives you a powerful Windows GUI for video and audio processing. It wraps console apps like X265 and FFmpeg, plus frame servers AVSynth Plus and VaporSynth, so you can apply complex filters and settings without touching a terminal. It's not a one-click encoder, but it includes an assistant to guide beginners step by step. You control everything through a clean interface, and you can automate tasks with events and custom scripts. Whether you're compressing a movie or optimizing for streaming, staxrip puts professional-grade control at your fingertips. Tired of manually downloading media from your Telegram chats? Telegram Media Downloader with almost 3,000 stars does exactly that. It can grab audio, documents, photos, and videos up to 2 gigabytes per file from any conversation or channel you are part of. The tool remembers what you last downloaded, so it never repeats a file. You can also set rate limits and delays to avoid getting banned by Telegram. Version 3.4.0 even includes a web interface for easier configuration and monitoring. It is a handy self-hosted utility for anyone who archives Telegram media. Tired of Safari ad blockers that hog memory and miss the latest ads? wBlock, with almost 3,000 stars, is a next-generation content blocker built for performance. It handles 750,000 rules across 5 extensions, using protocol buffers and LZ4 compression for tiny storage and low memory usage, around 40 megabytes at idle. Updates only download changes thanks to HTTP conditional requests. And your filter choices and whitelist sync via iCloud. There is even an element zapper to visually hide page items, and a user script engine with GreaseMonkey API support. No fluff, just efficient blocking for Safari. Need to manage Kubernetes clusters directly from your JavaScript code? The Kubernetes JavaScript client with almost 2,300 stars does exactly that. It's a TypeScript-based library for Node.js that lets you interact with the Kubernetes API. Install it with npm, load your config, and you can list pods, create namespaces, and more. The code is clean and promises-based, perfect for building admin tools or automated workflows in Node. Check it out on GitHub. Tired of manually configuring Django projects with all the right tools for code quality and security? The wemake-django-template, with almost 3,000 stars, provides a cookie-cutter template that scaffolds a modern Django project. It includes automatic dependency updates via Dependabot, supports Python 3.13, and integrates tools like MyPy for static typing, PyTest for testing, and Rough for linting. It also sets up Docker for development and production, plus GitLab CI with a full pipeline. Just run a simple cookie-cutter command, and you have a best practice Django project ready to go. Ever wanted to understand how malware works without infecting your own machine? Malware Showcase, with almost 2,300 stars, provides practical Python examples of malicious software. It covers file infectors, trojans, and remote code execution, all clearly explained. The code is simple, but demonstrates real behaviors like code injection. Of course, use this only for education, as running these examples could cause legal issues. It's a safe sandbox to learn the nature of malware.
Struggling with UI animations and unsure if your design choices are correct?
Skill, with almost 20,000 stars, is a curated set of skills from design engineers at companies like Vercel and Linear. It covers practical knowledge on easing, timing, and overall design taste. The creator argues that AI agents lack refinement, so learning these skills helps you make better decisions faster. Instead of relying on agents to pick the right animation parameters, you can internalize these principles. That way, your UI feels polished and intentional. To get started, run a simple command to add the skills to your project. It is not a code library, but a knowledge pack that amplifies your expertise. Tired of music players that feel clunky and ignore Android's design standards? Gramophone, with almost 2,200 stars, aims to be a sane music player built with Media 3 and Material Design. It follows Android standards strictly, offering a light, stable, and minimalistic experience. Features include dynamic player UI with Monet colors, library search, folder browsing, and natural sorting. It supports synced lyrics for LRC, TTML, and SRT formats, including karaoke-style word synchronization. There's full Replay Gain 2.0 support and compatibility with system equalizers. You can download from GitHub releases or F-Droid. If you want a clean, standard-compliant music player, give Gramophone a try. Want to control your GoPro camera over Wi-Fi without the official app? goprowifihack with almost 2,200 stars is exactly what you need. This community-driven project documents the undocumented API, letting you send simple HTTP GET requests to your camera for commands, status, live streaming, and media browsing. It supports models from the Hero 2 to the Hero 11, though the Hero 8 needs special care. Be aware the project is no longer actively maintained, and the official Open GoPro is recommended instead. Still, for hacking and tinkering, this is a goldmine of information. Need to clone every repository from a GitHub organization in one go? ghorg, with almost 2,100 stars, lets you do exactly that. It's a command line tool that backs up or clones all repos from orgs, users, and supports multiple providers like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. On first run, it clones missing repos, and on subsequent runs, it pulls and cleans local changes to keep everything in sync. Perfect for searching codebases, onboarding new team members, or creating backups without manual cloning. Tired of messy spreadsheets and slow workflows for tracking cybersecurity incidents? Meet FIR, Fast Incident Response, with almost 3,000 stars. It's an open-source incident management platform built for speed. You can create, track, and report incidents easily. FIR uses Django and Bootstrap, and you can run it with Docker for quick testing. Whether you're a SOC or a CERT, this tool helps you stay organized. It's flexible and customizable, so it fits your team's habits. No AI, just solid incident handling. Ever felt like your codebase is too large to navigate efficiently when you need to understand a specific feature? contextplus, with almost 2,000 stars, turns your entire codebase into a searchable hierarchical feature graph. It combines RAG, tree-sitter AST, and spectral clustering to give you semantic search and structure. You can look up functions by meaning, get file skeletons, or browse by feature. It's an MCP server that runs locally, meaning your code never leaves your machine. Perfect for large-scale engineering projects where accuracy matters. Struggling to keep up with the ever-evolving landscape of web vulnerabilities and manual payload generation? DeepSeek, with almost 2,000 stars, orchestrates multiple AI providers to automate intelligent payload generation and scan for over 45 vulnerability types. It supports OpenAI, Claude, Grok, Gemini, Ollama, and many more. It uses context-aware payloads with WAF detection and tech stack fingerprinting. It also includes a RAG index CVE database for real exploit patterns and nuclei-style YAML templates. Plus, it automatically generates professional reports with compliance mapping. It even has automated false positive filtering and AI triage for bug bounty reports. And it uses Playwright and AI for browser automation, allowing you to focus on finding bugs instead of writing them. Tired of your AI coding agents skipping tests and losing context? Claude Code Pro, with almost 2,000 stars, is here to change that. It provides a structured workflow with spec-driven planning, enforced TDD, and persistent memory. Instead of complex multi-agent frameworks, Pilot Shell keeps things simple. You start by brainstorming ideas into clear requirements, generate a detailed spec, then implement with strict test-first practices. Each feature is verified end-to-end. There's also a bug fix workflow that knows when to step back. Installation takes under 2 minutes on macOS, Linux, or Windows WSL2. The result is production-grade code that is consistent and reliable. Ever tried to find a good LightNovelReader that works across multiple sources? LightNovelReader, with almost 2,000 stars. And yes, the documentation is mostly in Chinese, but the app itself supports English. This compose-based app lets you browse novels from various data sources, download them for offline reading, and even export to EPUB. You can organize your library with custom bookshelves and get update notifications. It's built for Android 7.0 and up, offering a smooth, lightweight experience. Perfect for light novel fans who want a unified reader. Trying to access the web from a restricted network where only certain video call services are whitelisted? olcrtc, with almost 1,700 stars, tunnels your traffic inside encrypted WebRTC video calls. It disguises data as ordinary video calls on allowed services like Jitsi or Yandex Telemost. Inside, it uses XChaCha20 Poly 1305 encryption and SMUX multiplexing. You run a client and server. The client sends SOX5 traffic through a WebRTC connection to the server, which then accesses the internet. It supports multiple transports like data channels and video channels. A shared key is generated with OpenSSL. It's perfect for bypassing firewalls without raising suspicion. Tired of writing custom drivers for every brand of industrial PLC? Apache PLC4X, with nearly 2,000 stars, aims to provide a unified way to communicate with any type of programmable logic controller. It offers libraries for Java, Go, and eventually C, Python, and C#. PLC4X also integrates with Apache Calcite, Camel, Kafka Connect, and more. You can use it as an OPC UA server or a central PLC4X server to bridge legacy devices. It's a clean, reusable solution for industrial IoT applications. Tired of manually managing multiple proxy nodes that keep failing? Easy Proxies, with almost 1,600 stars, builds on Singbox to automatically aggregate upstream proxies into a single stable endpoint. It supports multiple protocols like VLS and ShadowSox, performs automatic health checks with configurable thresholds, and retries failed requests on other healthy nodes. You can route traffic by country using geo-IP routing, or pin each client to a fixed node for a stable egress IP. Whether you need load balancing or dedicated ports, Easy Proxies is a solid solution for proxy pool management.